In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel an order on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to cancel your order, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply hover over this option, My eBay, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to find the options like summary, recently viewed, bids or offers, watch list, etc. Click on this option, purchase history, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your purchases interface. You'll be able to see all of your purchases over here. Over here, you'll be able to see all the orders that you placed. Right now, I haven't placed any order. But if you have placed the order, you'll be able to see that particular order over here. Right next to that order, you should be able to find the option for cancel the order. What you have to do is click on it. After you do that, your order will be cancelled and your payment will be refunded. So like this, you'll be able to cancel the order. So that is how you cancel order in eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.